Okay, lovelies. I had my first federal court in-person hearing. 4 days before the hearing, the judge said it had to be in person. So I had to fly up there real quick and show up in person. This is against a defendant who is now on their third attorney against little old me. Just representing myself, pro se, love it. But that still did not mean that I wasn't nervous before my first federal court hearing in front of a 40-year veteran judge, 40-year veteran attorney. So what did I do to calm my nervous system and pump myself up before I walked into that courtroom? Well, I spent about 15 minutes in the bathroom. I always do the power pose. It's one of the number one TED Talks, either cactus arms or the hands on the hips. Definitely do that. Gets your testosterone going. Do not look down at a screen. She goes over this in the TED Talk. Another thing that I have to do to prepare myself before going in front of a judge or doing a speech or anything like that is I do some breathwork exercises. One of my favorites right now is I do 4 in, I hold for 7, and then I slowly release for 8. I do that at least 3 times. And that is how I slow down my nervous system and my breathing, and I regulate myself, calm myself down before I go into a high pressure, stressful situation. And I must say, I'm really proud of myself for how I handled my first federal court in-person hearing. The judge went from basically thinking I'm a crazy pro se using AI to mentioning Rule 11 sanctions to me against the defendant's 40-year veteran attorney, because the attorney kept bringing up emotional stuff and I kept going back to the facts and the evidence. So stay calm, because AI and your paperwork only gets you in the door. You have to actually be able to present your case confidently yourself, and it's at these hearings. That's the number one place that the judge gets to make their opinion about you. So stay classy, lovelies. Stay confident.